Hi and welcome to demonstration of automated attendance system. This project uses a web application concept to facilitate the attendance system in educational institutes. It uses the most reliable way of uniquely identifying students through website. Such type of web application is very useful in school as well as in college for daily attendance. Through this web application, we can keep a systematic track of student attendance. This project enables the easy way of maintaining class attendance with fewer efforts. At the end of the day, an Excel sheet can be generated of the student attendance using this system. So let's check how the system works. The system is built with ASP.NET as a front end and SQL Server as a back end. The system comprises of three major modules as admin login, teacher login and student login. So let's first check the admin login. Admin need to provide his credential to access this system. And clicking on login, the admin can access those 5 modules. So let's start with the first module, add teacher, where system allows admin to add a new teacher into the system. So let's fill in the details. Let's start with entering the name of the teacher, the subject which he teaches, address, contact number, his email ID, his age, and admin is allowed to set a password for that teacher. So it can be a contact number of the teacher as well, and submit the request. So after submitting, the data is inserted successfully into the system and the ID is automatically generated for the next teacher. The second module is add student, where admin is allowed to add a new student into this system. So the ID is automatically generated. Admin need to fill in the details of that student. So let's enter the name, his address, contact number, email ID, gender, date of birth and the class. Here admin can select a class teacher listed over here and submit the request. Data is inserted successfully. The third module is view teacher, where admin can view all the listed teachers' profile with their name, subject, address, contact number, email ID, etc. The fourth module is view student, where admin can see student profile over here with their name, address, mobile number, email ID, date of birth and which class they are in. The fifth module is view attendance, where admin can view the attendance of the students by selecting a particular teacher's name from here, and he needs to select the 2 dates from and to and click on search. So this is all about admin login. We will get back to this view attendance module after once we mark a presentee for a student. So let's log out from here. So the second module is teachers login, where teachers need to provide the ID and the password. So after a successful login, those are the 2 modules to be accessible by the teacher. So in the first module, that is attendance, teacher can view all the students under him. So those are the 3 students. So if the student is present, teacher need to click on this checkbox to mark an attendance. And after clicking on present button, the data is stored into the system as attendance marked successfully for those 3 students. The second module is view students, where teacher can view their student's profile as well as other students' profile with their details. So let's log out from the system. So after marking the attendance, we will check the admin login again. So let's log in. I will check the view attendance column. We will specify the teacher's name. The teacher can check the attendance on daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis or yearly basis by selecting the dates between 2 of them. So we'll check the daily basis attendance. So let's select the date, and after clicking on search button, the attendance of the selected teachers would be shown over here, and the count will get incremented as the teacher marks the attendance for them. Here the system allows admin to export the attendance into an Excel sheet. So the sheet has been generated, named reports. So here the admin can view the attendance of the name and the total attendance in this format. Let's log out from here. So we'll check the third and the last module, student login, where student can enter the ID and the password. So the password is the contact number. So after a successful login, student can view their own profile with the details. The second module is view attendance, where the student can view their own attendance, the date and the time as well using this system. So let's log out from here. This is all about automated attendance system. Thank you.